Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making chicken donut with less ingredients, yummy in taste. We can store up to 1 month in refrigerator. Boneless chicken 200 grams, salt as per taste, garlic powder 1 tablespoon. Mix everything, marinate for 1 hour. Marinated chicken, potato 2 medium size, soya sauce half tablespoon optional, water 1 cup. Boil until chicken tender. Mash chicken and potato. Now add red chili flakes 1 tablespoon, pepper powder 1 tablespoon, salt. Mix everything. Make nice dough. Take medium size balls. Make donut shape. If you guys don't have shaper, do it with hands also, with fingers. Make shape like this. Now it's ready. Keep aside. Take a bowl. All-purpose flour 3 tablespoon. Water 4 tablespoon. Make slurry. Perfect consistency. Breadcrumbs. Dip the chicken donuts. First in slurry, then in breadcrumbs. Coat well with slurry. Now coat evenly with breadcrumbs. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Now you can store up to 1 month in refrigerator. I'm frying in air fryer. Air fry for 15 minutes on 200 degrees centigrade. In oil, fry until crispy. It's ready to serve. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching.